Here we have the Logitech Tap. This is James with Vivo. Let's check it out. The Logitech Tap is the ultimate controller solution for all your video conferencing needs. Blends seamlessly with any solution from Google to Microsoft and Zoom. This is perfect for small rooms, medium rooms, and your large conference rooms. One thing I love about it is it's not just gonna walk off. It's sturdy, it's got some weight to it, which is nice, which also gives you a peace of mind that it's going to withstand. Some things that are awesome about this Logitech Tap, it's going to deliver calendar integration so you can easily see what are upcoming meetings and when this room will be free. It has touch to join as long as it's been invited to the meeting, instant content sharing, and always on readiness. What comes included in the Logitech Tap box is going to be, of course, the Tap. And as far as cabling goes, you have a 5-meter or a 10-meter power over Ethernet to connect it to the system. Here is your HDMI cable, which makes it for seamless and easy content sharing. And then, of course, your power adapters. So that way, you're ready to just plug this in, set it up with the system, and get ready to rock and roll. Some of the features on the Logitech Tap that you will see, and that's going to be really nice, is going to be this motion sensor here in front, which goes hand in hand with the always on readiness. So when you walk in, it lights up and you can start your meeting. Here on the side, we have our headphone jack, aux cord. And then one thing that everybody loves about the Tap is the awesome cord management here on the back side. You remove this back panel, that comes off. And as you'll see, there's awesome channels here where you'll have your HDMI cables coming out, your USB cables, whatever that might look like will be folded here so you can't just yank them and pull them out. They won't be dislodged easily. Back panel just screws right back on. So once that's plugged in, you're ready to rock and roll. To learn more about the Logitech Tap or other scheduling and or control devices, check out our website or reach out to us for more. Our website is www.vivo.tech.